Hello everyone and welcome back to Day Trading Recap Day 36. I did not upload a trading recap yesterday because we had a bank holiday and there is literally nothing that happened because it was a bank holiday. And as what happened with today, we did not take any trades because really longs look pretty good because off of London session we literally were just London session was up here. We literally were just moving down this entire session, so I was thinking, okay, probably off market open, we're gonna get some reversal and hit longs because we were standing on a London session manipulation. Then what we get is off market open, we manipulate lows here, and then we break structure. But on the same candle we break structure on, we hit what would have been my first take profit, which was a 15-minute high draw on liquidity. After that, my partials would have been all these lower time frame draws on liquidity, these 5-minute relative equal highs. And then all of these 5-minute draws on liquidity here would have been great targets to use as partials. So like all of this would have been good. And then the only hourly draw we really had would have been hourly draws up to here, which that's not very good to exactly target because of the fact it's so far away from anything else. And yeah, price like comes back down here, then reverses and takes it out. But that's not until like Asian session. So like yeah, literally there's just nothing to take on Nasdaq. On the 5-minute you can see here, yeah, there's just like nothing here. Like we just move up without any sign of retracement. We just move in one direction the whole time. Like literally that's what happened with London session. Like the only time we see a little bit of a move up is off of this push here. Then we just reverse, chop down, then push even lower, pretty much off pre-market. Market open, yeah, get the sweep break and take profit. On S&P 500 though, it was a little different. We actually did get a retracement below these highs on the 1 minute. So we get a break of structure. We hit um I don't trade S&P 500, but like it's on the table, like I'm pretty much about to trade it. We tap into the fair value gap and price taps into the order block, which ends up being what actually ends up setting price higher. But then after tapping into the fair value gap, after breaking structure, we get candle power out of that. And literally the lowest point where you could have put stops would have been below the fair value gap, which does end up getting stopped out. But if you look at it, the risk is under 1, so this would not have been a trade we would have taken. If we could have gotten better risk, like let's say ideally like you don't want to put your stops below lows, you wanted to put it below somewhere else like order block, which down here would have been better because this is the retracement price actually uses. It uses this more than the order block or the fair value gaps. And then ideally it's like if this is like a stronger magnet on liquidity, this would have been a trade we could have taken. But that's not the world we live in, and the trade that should have been taken, or the only trade that could have been taken, would have been this, because like this isn't a crazy low risk to reward. Yeah, it's like 0.9, 0.89, basically nearly exactly zero point 0.9, but still under 1. Like that barely offers like a good return ever. So yeah, if it's under 1, you almost just never want to take it. And yeah, because also if you get stopped out, you're losing more than like what could have actually been made if it's under 1 risk to reward. So it's just pretty stupid. Like literally, why don't you wait for a better day when you can get a good risk to reward having stops like below a really low retracement confluence or below the liquidity sweep and then have really good profit targets to target up here. Because today, like honestly, was not a good day to trade because we're just ripping down. There's no hourly draws. London session highs are all the way up here. So it's just like there's nothing to even trade off of here. We're just way too bearish. We do get a little bit of longs, but it's really just pretty much just downtrending this whole time. But yeah, our bias was right though, which is good. You like always want your bias to be right because then like if you know where the markets want to go, you literally can just like adapt to that and be like, okay, I could just trade off a break of structure right here. Because like if we did that, which would have been kind of stupid, But because price literally off market open has no reason to go any lower if we entered off a break of structure, you do get a really nice trade here. It takes about like 10 minutes, then we go up and hit take profits. Really though, the only real challenge with this is the reason I didn't trade wasn't because I wasn't supposed to trade today. Like there were no trades to take because I only trade Nasdaq, and on the 1 minute we don't get anything. But this was not the reason that like the market's not presenting me any entries was part of the reason. The real reason was because of school, because of the stupid little no phone policy. So the only way I can really see myself trading is if I like go on my phone in the bathroom or I'm on my laptop, school computer trying to trade, which that would just be really annoying. But a bigger screen would help compared to my phone. Like to be honest, if I can check it like on the laptops, like yeah, if I can check TradingView on my laptops, like in homeroom, that would actually be clutch. But we don't even get our laptops to like tomorrow night. But like anyways, that's honestly probably it. Like literally just no trades today. So like anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trading recaps, and I will see you guys tomorrow for recap 37.